Am I audible to you? There is no response from me. Okay, just I am continuing. So there is a ex-showroom price is 65,000 and duty and insurance is 5,000, and whatever important things you should know, there is no tax will be added, the value of the machine or your fixed asset. So total cost of the your motorcycle, that is scooty, how will consider, that is 70,000. So that is 65,000 plus other installation cost, because up to if you want to because you want to this scooty use for in road, you just type in road, so up to road this installation whatever expenses you have made, you have to consider as a cost of this scooty, that is total is 70,000. Now this 17,000 decreasing, and after 10 years we are just considering that this value will be 10,000. Though the scooty is now is not for driving purpose, but still the scooty has some value because there is some engine, there is some other parts, and if you sell that you can easily get to this 10,000. And after 10 years, so this normal life 10 years means we expected that up to 10 years this scooty we can use. Okay, after that we have to sell that. So this 10,000 is called scrap value or residual value. It is called scrap value or residual value, and this is 10 years mean this is a normal life of this scooty. So if you want to know what is the depreciation, how you can know? So depreciation is, in that case, that is the total cost of the machine. You have to deduct the scrap value because this amount is not considered as a for depreciation, that is 10,000, and divided by normal life of the machine, in case that is 10 years. Now what will get, that is 60,000 by 10, that is 6,000. And in this story I am just saying you that this is a method of the each and every year you have to charge 6,000 depreciation is there. So this is actually called straight line method of depreciation. This is actually called straight line method of depreciation. Okay, now 6,000 is there. Another way, sometime question is given, instead of 10 years they give the percentage also. So suppose the depreciation, that is you can find depreciation in that way, that is depreciation equal to, that is cost of the machine minus scrap value, in this case 10,000, into 6,000 means for 10 years there is a 6,000 means that is 10%. So the rate is 10%, 10 by 100, and you get the same result, that is 6,000 per annum, and that is also 6,000 per annum. Okay. So sometimes year will be given and sometimes rate will be given, and there is a, you have to choose, you have to, according to that you have to reveal the depreciation. So this is the factor you have to consider. Now take another example. Suppose you purchasing a machine and your factory in Delhi, okay, your factory in Delhi, you are purchasing a machine for Ahmedabad. Now machine value is 2 lakh. Machine value is 2 lakh. But from Ahmedabad to Delhi, there is some transportation cost, because you cannot machine through or by air or by lorry or truck you have to use. So from Ahmedabad to Delhi you have to there is a total 50,000. That is a transportation cost or transportation fare or freight. So that's 50K you have to consider as a cost. So after coming to your factory, the machine, you cannot use it right now. Okay, so you have to call the engineer who can assemble, because the total machine is not coming. This is a part of the machine is come, and now you have to assemble that. For that, the engineer you have called. Now engineer is saying that we will take the 25,000 for that. So this is 25K. And this engineer, when he comes, he said there is lots of operator, or we call different operator we needed to fit this. So they are taking the 25K also, that is 25,000. Now the engineer is saying you cannot put this machine in ground, you have to make a platform, and therefore you need 50,000. So 50K also. After that you can use this machine. So this transportation cost, engineering cost, that is different operator cost, and platform making, this all included in the machine value. And total of the machine cost you just consider not only 2 lakh, that is 3,50,000. 3,50,000 will be the total cost of the machine. That thing is very important. Whatever you should consider before using the machine, whatever expenses you have made, that should be included with the cost of the machine. Have you understood, Sneha? Am I audible to you? Have you understood? Okay. So these things, you except tax, that is GST, all other costs if you incur upon the machine, that should be included before that is usable. Whatever cost you have expenses should be included with the cost of the machine. Here also I have given example, the ex-showroom price is that, and duty and insurance, not the tax, should be added, and that's how this 70,000 after making all this duty and insurance, that is road tax, insurance, that will be included with the machine value, scooty's value, and total scooty price is 70,000. Not GST will be considered. Okay, GST tax is not considered as a cost of the any fixed asset. So after 10 years we see that their value is come to 10 years, 10,000. Now this 10 years, you are just expecting that this scooty you can use for 10 years only. Okay, if you maintain it very well, then you can use it 15 or 20, but normally the life of this scooty is 10 years. Here I have also done the thing. So that's the way you have to consider the depreciation, and this whatever calculation I made, that is total cost of the scooter is 70,000. Scrap value, that is residual value, after 10 years you got, if you sell the goods you got the 10,000. Then you have divided by years, and there you get 6,000 per annum. So this you have to charge each and every year. This you have to charge each and every year. Now depreciation, you can find another way. There suppose sometimes they do not give you the normal life, they give you the percentage. So in case of also total cost into whatever percentage they given, you have to consider, and the same amount is come, that is 6,000 per annum, and this amount is fixed. That's why this method is called straight line method. In this story we find out one method, that is straight line method, where each and every year you have to depreciate. Your depreciation value is same, that is 6,000 for first year, 6,000 for next year, up to 10 years. So what is the value? That is 60,000. So after 60,000 depreciation is made, the value is come, that is 10,000. Okay. So that's the way you have to calculate the depreciation. Now we will take a practical problem and through that how we will actually present in our accounts the depreciation. Now from your NCERT book, Kritika join now. Why are you so late, Kritika? We have started a new chapter, and that is very important chapter also, because depreciation very important thing in our accounting purpose. Each and everywhere you find the depreciation. And one thing I also asked to Sneha, that why we not consider depreciation for land. Sneha, are you there? Sneha, are you there? Okay, why we charge depreciation of all the fixed assets except land? Why? Do you know why we do not charge depreciation in land? Because of network I are unable to listen. I am not from our end there is no problem. Okay, land is not depreciated, you just know that land is not depreciated because land is very short according to our population. Our population is more, but land is not so much available. So this is very restricted resource. That's how land is not depreciated, because land's value increasing day by day. So we cannot depreciate the land value. Okay, land value is increasing day by day, because land is very short according to our population. So that's why there is no depreciation charge in case of land. Have you understood? Now sir, meaning of diminution. Diminution means decreasing. Okay, diminution means decreasing. Kritika, why you not join in fast? You are coming so late. That's the way you cannot learn the accountancy subject, because this is very conceptual subject. You should, from the first of the class, you should know the thing, otherwise you cannot understand. Okay, so hope you are well and safe, and just keep practicing. Next day we'll do through a practical problem. Okay, sorry sir. Okay, you just join in from the first, because otherwise you cannot understand the thing. Depreciation is very important chapter according to your examination also. So attend each and every class from the first, so that you can understand the thing. So this is the end of the class. Hope you understand the things all. Thank you.